And we are on our page right here. We have 20 items. We want to keep the about page, blog page, checkout, contact, home. And I'm just cleaning this up with you so that we don't delete any pages that we actually need. So these other ones I'm going to remove, and I can see that we need to just cover blog posts really quickly. So before we do the header menu and footer menu, let's just talk about how to edit our blog posts. So if I hover over posts right here and click on all posts, there are a bunch of demo posts, and I'm going to remove all these. So I'm going to delete them, and I'll just show you how to write a very basic one. So all you have to do is click on add new post, and this is similar to creating another page. Just put in your title, and then you have HTML here, or if you click in here, you can delete this, and then you can just type your text, whatever you want, just random stuff. And you also have the plus button, similar to a flat sum page builder, except this is the WordPress builder. So you have all these different modules that you can add stuff. And you can do something very basic. So what I'm going to do is just take some text from the demo website. So I can paste in the title right here. And then for this block, what I can do is I can add a heading, and I can just type in the text. So it says something like our jewels are redefining. And this is just some random text. So I can paste that in right here. And then I can just put my paragraph block right here. So again, I'm going back and forth just to copy and paste this in. And then if I push enter right here, and I can open up a new block right here, so I can click on the plus button, and then I can click on browse all, and you have all of these different blocks. So if I choose an image gallery, I can select this, and then I can go into my image gallery and click on this, and then I can just select some of these images. So maybe I'll go with these ones right here, and I'll just click on create gallery. And I can rearrange these if I wanted to, or add captions. And I can just click on insert, and you can see that I can add my images just like that. And then if I scroll down, I can add another paragraph down here, or a heading. So I can scroll over here and just copy and paste this other text, and so forth and so forth. So it's really easy to create blog posts just like this. And then over here on this section, if I go back into the post, I can add my featured image also for this blog post. So when it shows up on the home page, it has a thumbnail. So I can come in here and click on set featured image. And in the media library, I can find some of these blog posts that I have. So if I select this one right here, you can see that it's blog2.jpg. So this is just a certain size for an image that I selected. And you can see that it gets inserted here. I can add categories and tags. And then once I'm happy with it, I can just click on the publish button. And I can do this a few different times to create some more blog posts, and that's what I'm going to do really quickly. So I'll go back to the WordPress dashboard right here, and if you want to create some blog posts, go ahead and do that also. See now that I have my blog posts, so I added a few more of them, and now if I go to my WordPress or e-commerce homepage, you can see right here that I have all my different sections. So if I scroll through it, you can see now at the bottom, we have our blog posts, and it has our featured image, and you can click on it and go to visit them. So the last thing that I want to do is I already have a header menu up here. It's not the best one, but I want to show you how you can customize that, and it's going to be the same for the footer menu. And then we'll be done with this entire e-commerce website, and it'll be up and running. You can take transactions and all that stuff. So to go to your menus, if you hover over your website name here, you can click on menus. But if you're on the WordPress dashboard for the online store, you can hover over appearance and also click on menus.